What if the pilot in your next flight wasn't entirely human? What if the plane could see, think, and react faster than any person ever could? It's not science fiction. It's happening right now. Artificial intelligence is quietly revolutionizing the cockpit, making flying safer, smarter, and more autonomous than ever before. From tiny electric air taxis to massive cargo planes, AI is the new co-pilot. Today, we are pulling back the curtain to reveal the groundbreaking AI tools being certified for flight as we speak. This is the future of aviation, and it's arriving faster than you think. Let's start with Daedalian, a Swiss company that's essentially giving aircraft a superhuman sense of sight. They're using machine learning to create avionics that can visually detect other air traffic, spot dangerous wires, and even navigate and land without relying on GPS. This is a game changer, especially for flying in remote areas or GPS-denied environments. They've partnered with major players like Moog and Aviation and are working hand-in-hand with regulators like the ESA and FAA to get the world's first AI-powered vision systems certified for flight. They do this by collecting immense amounts of flight data and using a special W-shaped process to prove to regulators that their AI is safe and reliable. One of the most exciting results of this is the Pilot Eye system, developed with Aviation. Think of it as a see and avoid system on steroids. Using Daedalian's neural networks, Pilot Eye constantly scans the sky, identifying potential collision threats long before a human pilot might notice them. They've already logged hundreds of test hours, and the certification program is well underway. This technology is expected to appear first in general aviation and the emerging eVTOL, or electric air taxi, market, where an extra set of AI eyes can dramatically improve safety in busy, low-altitude airspace. But it's not just about seeing, it's about thinking. Collins Aerospace, a giant in the industry, is developing Paragon. This isn't just a flight computer, it's a beast. With 20 times the computing power of its predecessors, Paragon is designed to host AI workloads that can act as a virtual pilot, managing trajectories and making complex decisions. Built with Intel processors, it's designed from the ground up to be certifiable and will be the brain behind the next generation of autonomous functions, paving the way for single-pilot operations in large aircraft, including military platforms like the Future Vertical Lift. Similarly, Honeywell is teaming up with NXP Semiconductors to build an AI-driven architecture for its new Anthem cockpit. This cloud-connected system is designed for advanced air mobility, with the Vertical Aerospace VX4 air taxi cited as an early adopter. Their goal is to use AI to process information faster, manage the massive amounts of data from next-gen displays, and enable new levels of autonomy. Their partnership, expanded in early 2025, is a clear signal that the industry's biggest names are betting heavily on AI to power the cockpits of tomorrow. Even Airbus is all in, using AI for everything from autonomous taxi, takeoff, and landing, which they've already demonstrated, to optimizing air traffic management and detecting anomalies in flight. Their AI programs are some of the most ambitious in the industry. And it's not just the big guys. Research from places like MITRE has led to a digital co-pilot concept that uses voice recognition and contextual awareness to reduce pilot workload. In fact, some of these features have already been adopted by popular apps like ForeFlight. Now, you might be wondering, how is all of this getting approved? Regulators like Europe's ESA are not sitting on the sidelines. They've created a detailed AI roadmap and are working directly with companies like Daedalian on a process called learning assurance to validate these systems. This collaboration is crucial for building a clear path to certification, with the first approvals for machine learning and avionics expected within the next year or two. Companies like X-Wing, focusing on autonomous cargo aircraft, are also on the verge of bringing certified AI products to the market. So, what does this all mean? The age of AI in the cockpit is no longer a distant dream. It's a reality being built and certified today by a web of collaborating companies, from innovative startups to aerospace titans. These systems will act as tireless co-pilots, making our skies safer and more efficient than ever. The future of flight is intelligent. Thanks for watching. If you found this look into aviation's future fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the technology that's changing our world. See you next time.